All right, let's talk about something crucial, smart SMT automation. And when it comes to that, Southern Machinery is really at the forefront of the game.
So let me ask you something, and I want you to be honest. Is your material storage, well, holding you back? Is it the one thing that's creating a bottleneck in your otherwise smooth production line?
Because, the old way of doing things, it's just not cutting it anymore. We're talking about those frustrating manual errors, all that wasted space that could be used for something better, and worst of all, that killer line downtime. All of that, it hits your bottom line hard.
But here's the thing, there's a better way. And it's all about one key idea: integration. The future isn't about isolated machines. It's about a fully connected system.
And this is what that future looks like. At Southern Machinery, we're not just thinking about it, we're building it. We're talking about a truly smart factory where every single component has its place and moves with absolute purpose.
So what does that actually mean for you on the ground? It means a completely seamless flow. Materials move from the warehouse straight to the line. No more hunting for reels, no more waiting around. It's just a smooth, fully automated process that actually works.
And look, this isn't just some concept we're dreaming up. We've got over 237 global EMS partners. Yeah, you heard that right, 237 who already trust us to run their operations. They're living proof that this works.
So you might be asking, what makes you guys different? Well, first off, we don't see ourselves as just a supplier. We're your automation partner. We're in this with you. We deliver solutions that are cost-effective and ready to go from day one. And crucially, everything we do is specifically designed for the real-world demands of high-mix EMS factories like yours. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about the big one, the ROI, right?
And here's the honest truth. We could throw a generic number at you, but what would that even mean? Nothing, because your factory is unique. Your challenges are unique. A one-size-fits-all ROI is just meaningless.
That's why we do things differently. We want to sit down with you and calculate your personalized ROI using your actual data. So get in touch. Let's work out a real, solid plan that will completely transform your production floor. Seriously, the next step for your factory is right there on the screen.